Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how can you do video marketing through affiliate income. You can generate affiliate income. The video marketing is very widely used, and nowadays every sales or most of the sales from got from the video marketing. So let me show you how can you do video marketing to selected your niche or everything. So let's get started. Video marketing, suppose you have I have a product at the Asslamuaikum and you have a product at the Amazon, like that. So you don't have to bother any marketing in a marketer. Okay, just select what you have network or what you have marketing techniques, just use it. Okay, so I have a network at the Asslamuaikum. Its name is Asslamuaikum. It's a digital product. You can use Amazon, JVG, what you have. Just do video marketing and select which niche you want to do. So suppose I have a Asslamuaikum product. I want to do Asslamuaikum product video marketing. Then I choose one product, and let me choose. Okay, I choose this product. Suppose I choose this product for my video marketing. So what I have to do, first of all, I have to create one YouTube channel, like brand channel, not like other. So suppose I created this channel for my video marketing. After that, just customize your channel, just customize your setting, everything what you have and what you want to describe here. Just paste your keyword or upload you or paste or setting your every setting. Okay, so after that you have to now upload your videos, daily one. So what you have to do, suppose I choose the product, and let me show you the briefly description about this product. So first of all, I will read all the description and all the features. After that, I have to show the features about this product. So what I have to do, just read from here and promote and read. After that, read very not speedy, like normally I have to read like that. Feedback, beer, collect and manage customer feedback on a user friendly platform. So I have to read this type of features. Okay, because of audience will attract will more. So just like it, you have to read this description and everything. So after that, you got like 5 to 6 minutes video. So after that, you have to create one thumbnail, one customized thumbnail to follow this product name or what features you have included in your thumbnail. So now your video is ready. You have to upload. Go to the channel content and upload here. Okay, upload here, and you have to do keyword generator. Then go to the repeat text. Here you can do your keyword research or keyword generator. Just write here like that. Laptop. Okay, laptop. I just write here. Yeah, you already seen. It's all about these. All keyword will be the rank more. You don't have to bother anything. So it's easy. You don't have to recharge like one by one 500 watt. So within a second you got more keyword. So after that, you have to paste it video this keyword. So I recommended you, I suggested you daily upload one video at least for your reach targeted audience, or for increasing your channels or increasing your Facebook page most widely or variety. Okay, YouTube algorithm, Facebook algorithm will see what is video and how can you upload it video daily. Now what time you video upload daily like daily like one time, like 7 p.m. 8 p.m. which time you selected, just uploaded video this time or do schedule, and daily at least one video, and you have to follow this system. Daily upload one video. After that, I think you will get more sales from your video or anything. So you have to follow this technique. So what you have to do, just read, first of all read this description. After that, you have to do some review about this product, what product will benefit opportunities, everything. Just review on the audience. Okay, so you have to do that. You don't have to bother or anything. Just from today, if you have plan, do video marketing and will get more sales. Or if you have a own product, you want to do video marketing, just do it. Okay, don't have to bother. Just from today take a plan and do action. If you don't action, I think this will not work. Always do action. So like that, just today from you can work, and I think you will get more sales. Nowadays video marketing works mostly widely, variedly, everywhere. So this video will very helpful for you. Just share my video with your friends if they want to do any video marketing. But if they cannot confidence, they cannot have any confidence, or they don't want to take any plan, just share my video. I think from today they will see my video and take a plan. So I think this video is very helpful for you, and thank you very much for watching my video.